Ano guys, so in Kimberly, so places and Saturday as Medusa in di manikikina inikom lami. So ang kanalikat na nga way ang halakan sang asap tiga ka post. Tickets for the kanas is 20 karan and for the adults I think it's kanon daw ni man. Yeah, mat is so ilakan siya sa TikTok as level san Kimberly nuwar as nagkapan so yala mulkom as valila crashing so lucky guys and kano kiba ako pa dyan pa madusa la takain like muti so tuwan takran fake kan narkisam antakan okay and kanon daw free court minsan ni kami kasi kanon daw anyway, so as we kom moet sal ek maar gestryd na dit se gaan vlees. So my outfit guys is op die nie you guys must go on my profile pic and tell me you like my videos or not because I will be lucky. So guys, ongelukkig maar as baie mekaar die wind waai soos ek kan sien negatarukan. Guys, nou Valentine ko. Nou is het 12 February. The 12th of February go meet Medusa. As Kimberly sa school. Die school din al die goedes is op die map daar. So gaan Kimberly. So yeah guys, my my outfit. Mama don't judge my outfit. So yeah. Yeah, this will be my outfit. So Medusa. Oh, Medusa on bottom. Yeah, so guys, mas really come. I think Kimberly di nuwat ka. So kasi that is yung my eyes like. Yeah, guys. Ik ben in kapen. So yela mo dariya ako bakra kom. Ikan wak wel taon muti. Medusa tani baby but Medusa kain waso makin man nai Medusa. Baie wo Medusa man op so mak. Nia varden, nia Medusa. Ore la van Medusa pati van mij af. Work guys. Nila may aras na magkaroon rin so as in yeah. Bye guys.